Checkers, Fox and Geese, how to play. The object of the game for the geese is to corner the fox so the fox cannot move. The object for the fox is to get past the geese and make it to the king row. Pick one player to be the fox and one to be the geese. Place 4 red checkers, king side down, on the far black squares. These are called the geese. The fox player places 1 black checker, king side up, on any black space on the king row on the opposite side of the board. Pick a player to go first, then turns alternate. All pieces must stay on the black spaces. The geese may only move 1 space forward, towards the opponent's side of the board, while the fox may move 1 space in any direction. Neither the geese nor the fox may jump any piece. If the geese make it so the fox cannot move, then the game ends and the geese player wins. If the fox gets past the geese, then the fox player wins.